Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote for free. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for new updates. Now let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open Microsoft Store in your PC and all you have to click on search. I'll search here Office, search here Office, then click here and click on Apps. It will show you different apps like this, and all you have to drag down, and as you can see it is showing Office here. Double click on it, wait for it to open, and then if you can see here it is showing free, so it is absolutely free, you don't need to buy it. And then all you have to click on get it, and it will automatically start installing in your PC, and after that you have to open it. It will show you two options, sign in or create account. If you already have an ID, all you have to do is fill your ID, fill your password, and then sign in, and it will open. I already have Microsoft Office in my PC, then I'll simply open it. And then, as you can see, it is showing me Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything here. As you already have these all apps in your PC, so all you can do, you can find a safe place in Microsoft Office for them so that you can easily find them. It is showing me Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything. But in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to get it for free. So no need to use them. As you can see, it is showing me install Office option here. Double click on it. Wait for it to open. As you can see, it is showing me Microsoft account here. After clicking install account, it will show something like this. All you have to do is click here. As you can see, this is the app launcher, and click on it. As you can see, it is showing me Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. And first of all, I'll click on Word. As you can see here, we'll start loading here. As you can see, it is showing me all the different list here. I'll click on new document. And you can select from these templates also, or for more templates you can click here. Click on new document. As you can see, it is loading and it will open Microsoft Word in my PC. As you can see it here, it is showing all the necessary options which I want to make my document more attractive and appealing. So as you can see here, on home it is showing me this font name also. You can adjust size from here like this, bold, italics, underline and everything. Now I'm going to show you PowerPoint. As you can see, it will show me like this, and all you can select the templates for your presentation, and for more themes you can click here. I'll double click on the new document, so it will open a blank document in front of me, so I can make my presentation from here. As you can see in this PowerPoint also, it is showing me all the necessary options which I want to make my PPT. As you can see here, you can insert table from here, new slide, pictures. As you can see, designs, it is showing me here. So you can simply click on them and apply them to your presentation. Or you find on transitions, you find all these cut, fade, push, wipe, or you can use them. In animations also you'll find more options. And if you want to play your presentation, you can play it from here only by clicking on this. Well, if you want to save your presentation or if you want to save your Word document, so all you have to do is click here on file, as you can see, and then you can click on save as option. it will show you save as option, or you can download a PDF of it or download a copy of it. all you all you wish to do, you can do. And as you can see, it is showing me Excel also. The same way we did Word and PowerPoint, you can do this also. Click on a new workbook and it will open the same like that. As you can see, it is showing me I can create anything from here. Insert, can create pictures, saves, and click on page layout like this. As you can see, and it is showing me OneNote also for free. I'm not I have not bought these products. These are automatically showing me for free. And as you can see, it is open Microsoft OneNote. And as you can see, click on new or anything name like this, whichever amount. You can create, it will show you, as you can see it here. So like this you have to do, and you can easily get these all the apps for free. And as you can see, like this you have to do. It has opened OneNote for free in my this. Click on go it like this, and on insert you can insert pictures, links, audio, file, table, everything. All the necessary options are available in, and it is absolutely for free. You don't need to buy it. I'm showing you it absolutely for free. If you find my video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more updates. And in the comment box, let me know on next topic which you want my next video to be. I'll make sure to upload it as soon as possible. Thank you.